Let's find the mean, median, and mode of the data set to the left. Now, if we are finding this by hand, to find the mean, we would add up all 25 numbers and divide by 25. Well, it's a little easier in Excel because we can use our formulas. Now, if you don't know the formulas by heart, you can always go up to formulas and search for more function, statistical, and then you have all kinds of formulas. But if you know what you're looking for, it makes it a little easier. So I know the mean is also called the average. So if I type in AV, you can see average comes up, and I want to know what values am I looking at. So I can come over to column A, click on column or on cell A1 and drag all the way down to cell A25. You'll notice that it populates within my formula. I'm going to close the parentheses and hit enter. And the mean of my data set is 72. Now, normally, when we find the median, we have to put our numbers in order least to greatest. However, because we're using Excel, we don't have to do that. We can go ahead and just hit equals to start a formula. Looking for the median, so I just type in, it comes up. Again, I need a data set. So I click on cell A1 and drag down to cell A25, close the parentheses, and my median is 73. Let's do the same thing for the mode, equals mode. You'll notice for mode, we have multi and single. If you think you have more than one, you can use multi. For single, I don't know that it really matters. Again, we need the entire data set, close parentheses, and we're done. Now, just for fun, I'm going to click and highlight column A. I'm going to go up to my home and go to the sort and filter up to the right. And I'm going to sort smallest to largest, just so that we can see the median is the number in the middle. All right, so it's one of these in here, 73. It's easy to see that the mode is 78 because they're the biggest clump of numbers together. So we could have ordered them least to greatest to help us out. But if you're using formulas in Excel, it's not needed. Now I want to do one more real quick. And this is, we're going to do the same thing, mean, median, and mode, but we're going to use 15 numbers given in a chunk. So our data isn't always in a nice vertical line, but the formulas are the same. So I'm going to find my average. Again, I need the numbers. If it's in a block, you just want to highlight the whole block. So you can see whatever is in the rectangle with that dotted line, that's what it's going to calculate. So my mean here is 45.73, repeating. Let's find our median. Again, highlight the entire block. I just click on cell A1 and drag. My median or my middle number is 45. And then my mode, forgot the equal sign. Mode is 45. If it doesn't have a mode, it'll tell you that. So just for fun, let's just put 3 numbers that are all different. If I want to find the mode here of just these 3 different numbers, it'll give you an NA, right? There is no mode. They all appear the same amount. So that is how you find the mean, median, and mode using Excel.